We are also enhancing our school meals feeding and school milk program. I am pleased that Kenya is taking leadership.
Uteithio wa irio kuri arutwo thiini wa mathukuru guothe bururi-ini na makiria thukuru cia muthingi ukoretwo uri gitugi kinene na uteithio munene kuri arutwo niguo gutigirira ni maikara thukuru na ni makorwo na mahinda mega makiria riria maramukira mathomo mao. Kaunti itiganite ta kaunti ya Murang'a undu umwe na Isiolo gatagati ga kaunti ingi ikoretwo iri muhari-ini wa mbere hari uheani wa irio kuri arutwo na makiria riri bururi ugumirwo ni ng'aragu. Bunge ya bururi nayo ica ikuhi ikoretwo igitabania ndereti ya uheani wa irio thiini wa mathukuru undu uria abunge aingi makoretwo magitetera mubango uyu.
Speaker, I want to support this motion and I want to encourage the member to go further, formulate a bill so that we can develop national government policy on school feeding program.
We have students who are not going to school, Mr. Speaker, sir, because there's a lot of problem on matters of food insecurity. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, I stand to support the motion.
Oho ni maugite thirikari cia matura ni ibati iheo igina niguo gutigirira uteithio uyu ni wakinyanira kuri arutwo. Indi makiuga ni uguteithiriria makiria hari kuiga arutwo mathukuru undu umwe na kugacirithia githomo.
Mr. Speaker, this school feeding program is a program that has worked, especially in jurisdictions where it has been embraced, like Bangladesh. It has seen to significantly increase enrollment rates.
The government is that we should move very fast to settle and disperse those funds to the schools before they close.
Orega igeranio cia gibururi cia kirathi gia kanana KCPE na form 4 KCSE iraringa hudi ciambiririe noguo thirikari cia matura iri muhari-ini wa mbere hari uteithio wa irio riu kieha kinene kiri kuri arutwo kana ni makuhota guikarira igeranio ici.
Worry is that the exams are coming and that if we do not do those immediate interventions, my fear is that we'll have a lot of our children missing in school, and for that matter missing the exams.
Ubunge wa MWEA Mirima Ingi unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune ni aruguritie mubango wa kuheaga arutwo irio na iria itanyitwo gukinyira arutwo 16,000 na aria mareka igeranio cia KCPE na grade 6 na makiria thikũ iria magukorwo magika igeranio ciao.
Guku turi ni thukuru etagwo Kuri Primary School South Gariama. Umuthi tukire ku launch program yakwa ya kuve ciana cia MWEA irio ketha stike kigeranio cina ndatheri na vandu riu va kuve ciana cia class 8 turave nginya ciana cia class 6 tondu mwaka uyu tuna candidate meita meri tuna standard 6 na tuna standard 8.
Oho ni ahoete uteithio kuri thirikari undu umwe na andu a wendi mwega kuona to arutwo a thukuru magumirwo ni ng'aragu nginyagia family na iria cikaraga gicigo bunge kia MWEA na kiria kigumirwo ni ng'aragu makiria.
Ni kandu mangi matuikiririe matuve o kiria mundu agatuve onokorwo ni konia rimu ria mucere onokorwo ni konia rimu ria mboco kana ria mbembe ni tugukorwo tugicokia ngatho.
Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa mutharaba mutune kaunti ya Kirinyaga David Kagonda augite itanya ria mubango uyu ni gutigirira gutire murutwo o wothe aga guikarira kigerio giake ni undu wa kwaga irio.
Muthe tuli haha Kuri Primary School turenda kuona kana tuhote kuhe ciana iria ciarekere gwika kigeranio kia mwisho irio nigetha gutikatuke kuri ono mwe ukwaga guka gwika kigeranio ni undu wa kwaga irio.
Murutani munene wa thukuru wa muthingi wa Gold Primary ni atugiritie mubango uyu na kuria augite ni uguteithiriria arutwo kuona ti family nyingi cionaga gia kuria.
Kenya umuthi turi andu akenu muno tondu mwecimiwa witu Mirima Ingi ni anyitanire na Red Cross ni mabota guturetere irio cia kuriwa ni ciana windi ya kigeranio.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV, jetagwo Jackson Mwaniki.